For that wonderful talk. All to you, Dr. Gaurav.
Thank you and good afternoon, everybody. So I'll be taking you through a small journey that is beyond distance with advanced monofocal IOLs. So first and foremost is, I stand here at the tail end of the journey to different IOL choices. This work will be a genuine nature walk. Please bear with me for some time. Sightseeing the IOLs in the natural, uncommercialized settings, its research in the walled garden of buzzwords like premium and freedom, whether they be multifocal or EDOF lenses. So my goal is to climb over the wall and take you behind two different IOLs. Why I stand here is the question. Nothing newer and flashier IOL makes sense until you understand the monofocal IOLs. Monofocal IOLs are the anchor to the lineup of the IOLs. Monofocal IOLs focus and covers a lot of range from moon to 20 feet away, equally and sharp. The quality of optic translates into how sharp the distance vision can be. Isn't it magical? Have you seen the telescopes or microscopes or cameras being multifocal or EDOF? Have you ever wondered? Monofocal IOLs are unparalleled in simplicity, clarity, and focus. That is why telescopes are monofocal, not multifocal. Companies describing monofocal IOL as standard government-issued IOLs that gave a negative reaction to the monofocal IOLs. But this is a technological marvel, whether you believe me or you do not believe me. Monofocal IOLs are simple, secure, and reliable. Saregama is still popular, though many musical soaps have come and gone. Monofocal IOLs are still the most consistent, most popular choice worldwide, despite other options, because they are tried and true and just keep getting better. In India, people don't need wide borders. The IOL they need with the best possible vision is here. That is the Clareon. This is the next generation advanced monofocal IOL. It has an optical clarity, precision edge design, functional intermediate vision, refractive predictability, rotational stability, and enhanced delivery system. So optical clarity. In a study done in Japan, patients were followed up for 7 years, one eye with Clareon, the other with Ichrosoft IQ. The surface light scattering was significantly lower in Clareon, while it increases with IQ. In FDA registration study, 350 eyes implanted with Clareon were followed up for 1 year. No IOL were observed with glistening or surface light scattering. No glistening and surface light scattering reported in a study done by Oshika et al. From 1 to 9 years. Edge design. It has a low PCO rates for the clarity that lasts. Clareon IOLs have low PCO rates, reducing the risk for an additional procedure. The Clareon IOL features a precision edge design that helps guard against the PCO and minimizes Nd:YAG rates. Clareon IOL continues a low Nd:YAG rate as of FPSoft lenses, less than 1.5% at 1 year versus 2.2% with Acrisoft IOLs. And this is the precision edge design, which is the proprietary edge curvature that diffuses the light that is reflected from the edge of the lens. And the functional intermediate vision. This functional intermediate vision, if postoperative refraction comes out to be between plus 0.5 to minus 0.5, the patient can still have a 20 by 20 vision at a distance. You can see this graph, there's a broad landing zone. This partially corrects the positive corneal spherical aberration with an optic design of minus 0.20 micron spherical aberration. And it delivers a crisp, sharp distance vision without compromise. And a functional intermediate vision with Clareon is just a bonus. This functional intermediate vision is 82 to 9.9% of patients with Clarion monofocal optic design achieved an uncorrected intermediate visual acuity of 20 by 32 or better. Refractive predictability. This design, which you can see in the circle, is a unique haptic optic junction design. It absorbs the energy from the capsular back compression without transferring it to the optic, and it allows the IOL optic to remain stable. It improves the refractive stability by providing superior axial stability, tilt, and centration. This is a small video which shows that with the contraction of the, you can see with the contraction of the capsule, the optic haptic junction contracts, but not the IOL. That doesn't shift from its normal position. And same here, you can see with the contraction of the capsule, the other lenses may be pushed forward, but not the Clarion. Rotational stability. Exceptional rotational stability results you to expect from the very beginning. Fibronectin bonding of the Clarion, similar like Acrysof, provides rotational stability. You can see in day 1 and 6 months that only 22 degrees of the mean rotational stability with Clarion. In my own experience, the growth of Clarion has gone up as compared to IQ and Ultracert. In my practice, IQ and Ultras have taken a back seat now. So the material, you all know it is a hydrophobic material. It is dry packaging, water content, and refractive index is 1.55, and glass transition temperature is 9.1. Clarion autonomy, which is the latest in the armamentarium, is the preloaded, having a Clarion monofocal IOL. They have other things also, like the monofocal IOL, toric IOLs, as well as wagon wheel. All the other lenses of Clarion, like toric, EDOF, and trifocals, is a non-preloaded option. This is a small video showing the implantation of this lens. This is the packaging that comes. You have the guard, and in the distal part, there is this carbon dioxide cylinder. And once this is the port from where you insert the OVD. It goes up to the tip. And after that, you remove the guard.
Dr. Gaurav, you'll have to run through.
Oh, just 1 minute, not more than 1 minute. You just remove the guard. Just push the lens and it goes inside. Thank you so much. And I would invite you all to the UP conference, which is being held in Meerut on 29th, 30th, and 1st of December, and all of you are invited. Thank you so much.
That was a wonderful talk, Gaurav, and we hope all of us should be there in Meerut with you.
Thank you so
with
much.
the kind of hospitality that you are putting up. Congratulations in advance.